Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to our channel and welcome to another video where in today's one we're taking a look at GitHub, and I'll be explaining to you guys essentially how can you create a new tag from your branches in your repository. So let's jump right into it. Now, first of all, what do you need to do here? I've opened up an article that kind of explains the idea of creating a tag, just so I can show you. First of all, you will select your current branch from your repository. Repository on your GitHub account. So once you're on the repository, you'll find your branch right here in the list of all of your branches. And then you'll go to the history of your branch and choose a commit on the left hand side. So you'll choose the commit right here. You can even search for it. And by right clicking on your commit, you will click on create a tag. And as you can see here on the screen, the create tag button will look something like this. In the create, you will then click on that one and then it will automatically be done. So that's the fastest way to create a tag on your commit in your branch. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you found it helpful, leave it a like, subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.